The next morning.
Was 21, was 17, and was 11. It took a while to understand what my consent means. If I was ruthless, they'd be in the penitentiary. But all the stress of being honest wouldn't help me. I pushed it down, but it was living in me rent-free. And then I fell into some things that were unhealthy. A place where no one heard me, asking them to help me. Felt his ice cold hands and how I paid the price now. Goddamn, everything you did, it left me to ruin. And no, I didn't say a word, I guess that proves it. I'm a woman. Cause I'm a woman. I'm a very fucking brave, strong.
Phew. Start watching Dungeons and Dragons for chess.
Per. Oh, what go show? What would they?
Many hours later.
Happy Saturday, guys. It's been almost 2 weeks since we chatted. So if you're wondering why I'm sweating with my makeup on, I recorded a YouTube short video and I'm just from fixing fish. So I'm letting it marinate before I bake it. It's actually my first time attempting to bake fish, so I hope it goes so well because Faith said she was going to come and eat and I don't want to embarrass myself. Anyways, if this is your first time here, my name is Susie. I'm a YouTuber based in Yaounde, Cameroon, and I do content on lifestyle, nutrition, health. I'm so sorry for the noise. Where I live, there's always something happening. It's actually quite frustrating, but yeah, I'm sorry for the noise. Before I forget, I've not done like a fun sit down video for a while, and I feel like we've been too serious on this channel. So please, I'm looking for somebody to collaborate with. If you live in Yaounde and you're not scared of the camera, you would like to feature in a YouTube video, please let me know. Just comment down below and we'll work it out. My birthday was on the 26th of April and it was a very happy birthday for me. I'm one of those people who don't really like their birthday. Well, I like my birthday, but I hardly look forward to it, and it's quite contradictory because I cannot wait to get older. I always tell my friends I cannot wait until I'm like 40 or 30. I just feel like, I don't know, I feel like good things will happen then. But anyway, so as always, I woke up that day, I was feeling very down. When I went to work, Stacey told me, she was like, you don't look like a very happy birthday girl. I was like, if I explain my story, you will cry. But when I got there, my boss saw me and he was like, hey, Susie, happy birthday. And I just started feeling really good after that, plus he watched me smoking. So yeah, I was very happy. I want to use this opportunity to show you guys what I got for my birthday and to say a very big thank you to all of my friends because they have really come true for me. Like, if you have my number on WhatsApp, you know I'm always bragging about my friends. Like, they mean the world to me, so I'm really grateful. Thank you guys. For those who did not give me anything, it's still okay. I'm grateful for the wishes and the prayers. Let me show you what I got. So I got a new ring light. um this is 14 inches ring light. The one I have behind me is bad, so it's just for deco, and it was 10 inches. I told my friend in January that my ring light was bad, and this April on my birthday she was like, hey, you spoke about your ring light, let me send you money. How much was it? I told her and she sent more. So I went from a 10 inches ring light to a 14 inches ring light, and I'm so happy about this. I think I should do a little unboxing for you guys. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of unboxing. So Laura, I'm very grateful. Thank you.
Fucking Robitussin. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets or Molly. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Yeah, right. Baby, you can ride it up, yeah. Bring it over to my place, and you'll be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did to me. Your body language speaks to me. I don't know what you did to me. Your body language speaks to me. Oh. I can make a hurricane on it.
The next thing I got was this black bag from Faith. Actually, I knew that she got me a gift like 3 days before, because she texted me. She was like, oh mommy, I have your gift, whatever. All I heard was, I have your gift. So this is what I got. It's this tiny black bag. I love it. I want it though. I think I wear it like the next day. But yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how the inner parts look like. This cruise and cloth. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, thank you very much to Faith. Thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. You already know, so yeah, I'm grateful. Also, after sports today, I dropped by Faith's house and she gifted me this, well, from Faith and Nina and Carl. ASOS design. I love it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. The next thing I got was the oven pan, which I'm currently using to bake my fish, and it was from my other boss. I really appreciate it because when I bought my cooker, I did not check inside, so it did not come with the plate. Yeah, so I really wanted that, and with the help of Stacy, she got it for me. So I want to say a very big thank you to her. I know she wouldn't love me mentioning her name, but she knows herself. So thank you very much. I truly appreciate it. I was at my cousin's place for like 2 weeks because I did not have water, and I was there on my birthday. So they gifted me a cake. I'm really happy for that. I don't have a video because space, I keep deleting things from my phone, so I'm happy. I also wanted a diary, and a friend of mine sent me money to get the diary. I'm still to get the diary, but I appreciate it. I already showed you guys the lamp which Stacy gifted me, plus she gave me this necklace. She gifted me the cross necklace. Funny story, we went to get something for her friend's birthday, and I saw this necklace and I was like, it's really nice. Then I looked into my pocket, I'm like, I cannot buy, I don't have money. Then on my birthday proper, she gave it to me, and she gave me a little note, and yeah, that was really nice. I appreciate you, Stacy. Some other people sent me money, so I'm grateful to them for that, and thank you guys so very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video tomorrow I'll be going to the pool with one of my friends. I'm actually expecting Mary between tomorrow and Monday, so I'm hoping she does not visit tomorrow. I think I've spoken too much. I'm just going to bake my fish. I'll wait on Faith. I don't know if she's still coming, but I'm just going to wait for her after that. Maybe watch a movie. If she's not coming, then I'll just chill. Let me taste it and give myself. I'm going to start with the fish. I'm a mother, a wife. It tastes nice. Oh, pepper. Pepper is terrible. Now it's sauce. I don't know the taste of the dough, so I'm just going to eat this off camera.
Very next evening.
It's Sunday, guys. Today is pool day, and this is what I'm wearing. I've had this dress for over a year, and I'm wearing it just once, so I went back to my old bestie today. I'm a bit bloated because I'm waiting for Mary, and it's just one of my pre-Mary symptoms. Yeah, I was supposed to go to the pool with Melissa and her friend, but she'll be joining us there later, so I'm waiting for him to come and pick me up, and I'll see you guys at the pool. Bye.
Charge for you now.
I'm using my power bank, Messi.
Oh, so
How for my red tonic? Tonic and in origin. Not the waste. I really thought there was songs are called.
Hello, my YouTube.
Please, can somebody give me money? Let me use clean my eyes. I'm going through a lot.
Where they go laugh for the same money? Ask yourself.
You don't come.
When the money go
I
come.
need to go and shine. What it is, how was
I can make a hurricane on it. 100 bands make it rain on it. Tie it up, put a chain on it. Make you tattoo my name on it. Oh, make you cry like a baby. Oh, let's go, bro, and make a video.
I'm enjoying this Tropicana. This is nice. I know you're not.
So now
Let's-
a place in heaven.
A place in heaven.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Right now, yeah, can't do Percocets or Molly. I'm turning.
The video. To what? To